Hello folks! Today, with the help of my good friend Mr. Indian Blur, we will be making cauliflower steaks. Good for vegetarian people and for non-vegetarian people because it's honestly absolutely delicious. Topped with the TikTok famous feta cheese sauce. Shall we get to this? Indian Blur says we shall. Lemon. Onion.
That's a clean cut. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was clean! Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, we gotta preheat it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, to cut the cauliflower into the cauliflower steaks, we need to first take off all these green leaves. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it down the middle a couple times. I think one cauliflower will probably give us 2, maybe at best 3 cutlets. I have yet to do this, so let's see how this turns out. If this is your middle line, you want to try and cut this into 2 halves. So you have 1 half here, straight through the middle, and you have 1 half. Now, the hard part about this is that you're going to have some peripheral damage along the side. Everything on this side and past will crumble. So what you gotta do is stay super close to this core and cut straight through it. Et voila. Now for the other side, this might not work out so well because I kind of cut it a little bit too far on the right. But we'll try. Not bad. A little bit thinner. It'll work. But see how everything else flakes off? You gotta be super, super careful with this one. You wanna oil your foil on a baking sheet. Then put your cauliflower down, rub the oil. You got this. Take some olive oil. Pour the olive oil nice and conservatively. You don't want too much on the sides. Get a little brush the olive oil on. Take some salt, some pepper, some basil, some oregano, and some chili flakes.
Alright, to make this feta cheese sauce, I will slow down myself so you can see this in real time. We first put the feta cheese in the glass thingy. Okay, then we put the tomatoes all around the feta cheese. You want to make sure you surround it. Okay, a brilliant chef once said, give the salmon a home, but this time we give the feta cheese a home. Okay, surround it. We put the onions, surround it once more. Oh no, I forgot one ingredient. I must summon one. One more. Thank you. Thank you, garlic gods. You must put the olive oil all over the mixture. Just as much as you want. No, I'm just kidding. Just cover it. That's it. Seasoning, of course. Red pepper, black pepper, oregano. Last but not least, basil.
You see, this is very, very hot. Very, very hot. 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, you put your feta on the middle rack for 40 minutes. 40. And then you put the cauliflower next to the feta. In you go. And you close the hot.
15 minutes later.
Right here. Oh.
Fifteen minutes later.
Whoa. Very fancy. Look at this. That's hot. After 40 minutes, you take out your feta cheese, grab a nice looking fork, and just mix it all in. Mix. Oh, you got some garlic you can squish down. You got some, what's the other garlic? There it is, I found it right here. Squish that down. Mix. Mix it all in. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. You want to mix it so it's nice and smooth, not super runny, not super thick, but you want to get the oil in, get the tomatoes in, get the onions in, get the garlic in. Get all the spices nice and thoroughly mixed. Let's see. I think that's good. Is that good? Is that good? Yes, yes. The air has spoken. It is good. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Brought to you by Gordon Ramaswamy.
Breaking news! We have just got word that there has been a crisis and the Indian blur must go save humanity. Look, we'll catch him on his way out as he goes out the door to save the world from humanity!
With the Indian blur gone, sous chef Yush has stepped in to plate the dish. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the cauliflower, all right, and use tongs to gently place a cauliflower fillet on the plate. And what now, before we put anything on the fillet, lemon, all right? Nice and gentle. That's just me making noise. That's not actually the cauliflower. Okay, anyways, now each cauliflower has a little branch. What I like to do is take a heaping forkful of this feta cheese sauce and a nice slather of the sauce on each branch. That's how you know you're gonna get a good bite's worth. There we go. Right there. Wonderful. And then the last one, there you go. And then my signature. There you have it. Cauliflower steak. Ready to taste it?
Okay, yeah, but okay, so I've never made this before. We've made this thing, but we've never made this thing. So yeah, let's taste it. We're hungry.
I'm sorry, I fell asleep at your explanation.
Shut up.
Alright.
Why is that so good? Why is that so good? I'll have more.
Go on your half. Go on your half. I said go on your half.
That was rude.